Maxamiro, Cocoy De Santos, also the Legaspis, Mavi, Cassie, Lauren, and Carmina.
Siyempre, we also have Charlie Dizon, and Bella Padilla, and Gerald Anderson.
Cassie, congrats.
Ang ating
Cass.
cast. Siyempre, si Direk Jade.
Yes, yes.
Ayan, congratulations as well. At syempre, Rico, banggitin din natin yung cast members nila na wala dito. We have Calvin Miranda,
Oh.
Andrea Brillantes,
That's right, that's
and
right.
Miss Gloria Diaz.
That's right. Also, Sir Suleiman Cruz there. He did a great job.
Yes, Donna Cariaga. Yes, Donna Cariaga. This is the ultimate Christmas movie this year. Kaya we are highly encouraging everyone. Ayan, pwede kayo mag-post na inyong mga
Cassie,
reactions sa social media. Pero no spoilers.
Yes, let's invite everybody here. The cast again.
Carmina,
Let's invite them all here.
Yes, again, that's Reconnect directed by Jake Castro, produced by Reality FM Studios and the Third Floor Studios.
Production debut, right?
Yes.
Gerald Anderson, and also let's call in from Reality, Mr. Dondon Monteverde, to join us
Carmina,
here.
congrats.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ayan, we would love to see everyone here. Once again, sa lahat po ng ating bisita. Ayan, we are highly encouraging all of you to post
Great
on
job.
social media your reactions about Reconnect.
Great
Yes,
job.
dito po tayo. Congratulations! Ang ganda ng film! Yeah, do not forget to tag at Reality MM Studios, the Third Floor Studios, and of course, hashtag MMFF2025. Again, you can post your reviews already or reactions, but syempre no spoilers, di ba? Para
Oo.
lahat ng manonood sa December 25,
Grabe ang plot twist. Grabe.
Oo.
Congratulations.
Ma-feel din nila yung na-feel natin. Congrats!
Let's get everybody here. Message, of
yes.
course, from Direk and Gerald.
I'd like to thank everybody na nagpunta and thank you so much for celebrating our premiere night with us. Merry Christmas in advance. Si Mina.
Thank you so much once again for being here. Grabe, Direk, ang ganda! Nakakatawa kasi napakasimple ng story pero tagos sa puso, heartwarming. Talagang in time for Christmas, talagang gagawin ng tayo mga Pinoy, diba gagawin natin ang lahat para makapiling ang mga minamahal natin sa Pasko. So yung pinagdaanan ng character ni Trish, pati ni Gigi, grabe, yung nakakatuwa kasi kumbaga hindi naman sinasadyang i-resolve yung mga problema, pero dahil sa nawala yung internet, na-resolve yung problema. So, thank you so much. Please spread the good news. Sana tulungan niyo po kaming i-promote yung aming pelikulang Reconnect. Ang ganda, di ba?
You will like and subscribe.
Yes, for sure, for sure.
Ayan, sana po ay nagustuhan nyo at sana po ay tulungan nyo kami. I-share sa mga family nyo, kapitbahay nyo. Sana manood kayo ulit. Isama rin po yung buong barangay. And we just want you guys to feel good this Christmas. Sana ma-inspire namin kayo. Sana mag-detox din tayo sa social media. Pwede naman pala. And sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa bawat perspective ng bawat kwento sa amin. So, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Sana po ngayong Pasko ay makasama yung pamilya nyo. At sana po makanood kayo ng MMFF. Lahat po ng entries are all beautiful movies. Pero syempre, unahin po natin Reconnect.
Yes. Okay, so once again, ayan, ang other cast, baka may mensahe sila for
Like a
everyone.
Pink Little Way Flower Shop. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Yan, go.
Abangan nila yung Bazaar Ukay-Ukay boxer shorts. Nasa iyo pa ba, bro? Yeah, thank you for coming over and for supporting this movie. Actually, yung parod, direct, sabi niya, mga 1 AM na ata natin kinukunan yun. Sabi ni Mina, hindi ba delikado yan? Dapat lalaki ata ang umaakyat dyan sa ladder. So, kasi po, yung script, nabibigay lang yung istorya namin. So, lahat makikita niyo po, it's connected. Meron palang connection nyo kung bakit Oo, it's a culture na ng family natin na si Padilla
Ayun, siguro for me, of course, I want to thank everyone for your time. Thank you so much for your time, effort. Hey, that's my friends. Thank you for being here. Grabe naman. And ayun, please spread the word. Of course, let's all support all MMFF entries. But syempre, to get into the Christmas spirit, syempre po, unahin naman po ang reconnect. Of course, so spread the word to your family, friends, your loved ones, your exes, your lovers, and everyone. And, sorry. Inspired kasi ako sa story ni Kuya kaya na ayun guys, I hope you all enjoyed it. Ayun, please spread the word. Thank you. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat.
So did you allow her to move out? Did you allow her to move out in real life?
I have no choice.
No, Alexa, is Alexa still here?
You scammer! You scammer!
Hey, scammer!
Kaya nga, ako po ang message ko, huwag niyo pong tutularan si Paula this Christmas. Siyempre po, dun pa rin tayo sa talagang kabutihan para tuloy nating mahalin ang isa't isa. Okay, and si Kokoy, baka... Okay, wala na talaga.
Meron ko
Alright.
gusto si Mavi kasi it's his first movie eh.
Yes,
Oh, great
naman.
acting! Great acting!
Gusto ako, diba?
Go!
Ay, may mic ka pala.
Ayan, ano ang iyong message?
Siyempre, it's such a great movie and I'm inviting you guys to watch Reconnect this Metro Manila Film Festival. The only Christmas film this Christmas, so manood na kayo.
Alright, so once again, palakpakan naman natin ang cast and crew ng Reconnect!
Yeah!
This December 25 na, of course.
Metro Manila Film Fest. Any message from our producer? One last time? Sir Don Don?
Yes, Sir Don Don, congratulations!
Hi, Sir Don Don.
And of
Of
course,
course,
the
reality.
college.
Hi, congratulations.
Yes, Sir Don Don, ano pong iyong mensahe?
Salamat sa all the actors. It's been a pleasure working with everyone. Sana supportan niyo itong movie na to. At supportan niyo lahat ng films na
Thank you so much, Sir Don Don, for that.
There you go. Perfect for the whole family. Once again, Reconnect.
Yes! Okay, so before we end this program, I think, Rico, may pa-photo op lang ulit kata with everyone.
That's right. Let's get a photo with our cast and of course Sir Don Don and everybody. Reality bringing you this one, Reality Studios and also Third Floor Studios. A great venture, a great movie for the whole family.
Yes.
The first Metro Manila Film Fest in cinemas, December 25th. Don't forget the Parade of the Stars. That happens on December
19 on Friday. And
Yeah.
complete, balita ko complete ang buong cast ng Reconnect for that one. So please do check it out. It's going to be really, really fun. Yes. Again, this is the ultimate Christmas movie of the year. Ayan, kaya supportahan natin.
Okay, some video with the cast. Have a Reconnect Christmas. Okay, the count of three. Ulitin yung video. 1, 2, 3.
Have a Reconnect Christmas!
Oh, isa pa. Dapat on
Yes,
you. Isa pa, ha?
Okay.
The count of three. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Yar muna siya.
Okay, lapit lang po. Thank you. Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.